तो अब हम इस लेक्चर में मेनली हम जो है अगला है रूल्ड सरफेस, उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। रूल्ड सरफेस है क्या, काम कैसे करता है। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपका इसको थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड करना है, ठीक है, इन अनदर डायरेक्शन और इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, देन हाउ कैन यू एक्सटेंड। आप क्या करोगे इससे, if you use to convert entities with that and then extend again extrude. Now एक्चुअली हम करेंगे क्या, हम लेंगे सरफेस का ही रूल्ड सरफेस। नाउ क्लिक ऑन दैट, click on that, click on that and click on that. If you want to increase the length of this, if you want to increase the length, then increase. Okay, decrease this. There are many options for that. For example, in normal to the surface, if you want to normal to the surface, it's make like a plate stand on the another box. Okay, now if you want to this, in which direction you to decrease the marks in sweep. When normally we have to use a normal to the surface or tangent to the surface. If you want normal to the surface, then this. Okay, again go on the setting and edit these features. If you want to inner, change the direction out and in. This error message will be so because of that join. Okay, now decrease this. So I think it's not, again it's so change the direction. This curve will be good. This is actually what we have to do. Clear? Thank you.